Have you ever watched an AI video and thought, that looked amazing for the first 3 seconds, and then suddenly the hands changed, the face looked piquito different, or the movement just felt weird? That's usually the moment people stop believing the video. So when I started looking at Supercool AI and Luma AI, I wasn't trying to find the tool with the prettiest demo. I wanted to know something much more practical. Which one creates videos that actually feel believable from beginning to end? Here's something I realized pretty quickly. We spend way too much time talking about image quality and not enough time talking about consistency. A beautiful single frame is easy to show in a promo video. Keeping characters, lighting, motion, and the overall scene looking natural across an entire clip is a completely different challenge. That's the part that separates a cool AI demo from something you'd actually publish. Supercool AI felt like it was built for creators who want to move fast. I could come up with an idea, generate a few versions, adjust the prompt, and keep working without getting stuck. If you're making YouTube shorts, client videos, or social media content every week, that speed can make a huge difference because deadlines don't care how perfect your AI footage looks. Luma AI gave me a different impression. Instead of focusing on how fast I could finish, it made me pay more attention to the final result. Some of the motion and realism looked incredibly convincing, especially in scenes where natural movement really mattered. But here's the trade-off I kept thinking about. How often do I actually need that extra level of realism? If I'm creating a premium commercial or a cinematic project, absolutely. If I'm making everyday content for social media, maybe not. That question completely changed the comparison for me. I stopped asking which AI looked more realistic and started asking which one made more sense for the type of work I actually do. Because the truth is, most viewers aren't grading your AI frame by frame. They're deciding in the first few seconds whether your video is interesting enough to keep watching. Story, pacing, and creativity still matter more than tiny visual differences. So if I had to sum it up, I'd say this. Supercool AI is the tool I'd reach for when speed and productivity are my biggest priorities. Luma AI is the one I'd consider when realism is the goal and I'm willing to spend more time getting the look just right. Neither one automatically makes better videos. The creator behind the keyboard still has the biggest impact. Now I want to ask you something. If you had to choose just one, would you rather have faster AI videos or more realistic AI videos? Comment below and let me know. I'm genuinely curious to see what matters more to creators right now, and I'd love to hear which tool you choose and why.